Hey guys, I got the LTT retro screwdriver. Um, it's an unboxing. Came with this, which apparently has all the extra bits and stuff you can buy. Got a metal shaft. These are like 0.55 millimeters. It's very light. Feels good. We're gonna get the stubby version too. Hey, really? You sound so fucking dumb right now. I said you sound dumb right now. Your mama. You come Bellwether jack off.